Hello everyone, rainy day. Today's going to be a bit more of a vlog style. I've got to try and get some progress made on the 60/30. So today I was hoping to paint, but looking at the weather, that's not going to be a possibility. So we're going to do another final clean, tape it up, mask it up, and maybe just see if we can start the sanding or not. Finally come to start sanding. Here we go. So I've spent a lot of time now just basically roughing up a lot of the surface, making sure there's a good place for the undercoat or the primer to bind to, taking away some of those tough edges, making it smooth, ready for some primer. That was a huge day. I'm absolutely buckled, but it was a really good learning experience. This is the first time I've painted a tractor. I've painted a few other things before, industrial, but never a tractor. So learning the process, having a bit of fun along the way. A few things we've still got to do. We've still got to get that chassis rail put on. You'll notice we didn't paint the other side. We've got to clean up the external panels and get those ready. But the primary goal is to get the paint on and get the machine movable so we can move it around, get it undercover, and finish off the more superficial pieces, your bonnet, your side screens, and get the steering wheel, seat, etc. on. So good to make progress on the 60/30 again. Massive thanks to Rob who helped today, and see you in the next video. Thank you.